Well, here's a nice, refreshing and filling meal for summer. I have here is a Mediterranean bean salad. Now, in here I've got a couple different types of beans, and really a good choice of beans you could use in here. Some corn, some red bell pepper, and then to really Mediterranean it up, we've got olives, we've got feta cheese, we've got capers in here, and then a dressing that just brings it all together. And oh yeah, that feta cheese hits every once in a while, takes you right to the med. All right, let's go in the kitchen and make some of this right now. And to make our Mediterranean bean salad, well, of course we've got the beans, which in this case I'm using one 15-ounce can of garbanzo beans and one 15-ounce can of black beans, and they've both been rinsed and drained. But you could use any type of beans, like cannellini beans, white beans, kidney beans, any kind of bean mixture you want to use. Over here I've got one 15-ounce can of corn kernels, and I've rinsed and drained them. Here, 2 red bell peppers chopped up. Over here, what's going to kind of add that Mediterranean flavor is the feta cheese, 7 ounces or 200 grams of feta cheese crumbled, a half a cup of sliced green olives, 2 tablespoons of capers, and then for the dressing, a quarter cup of oil, olive oil of course, 1.5 tablespoons of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of Dijonnaise mustard. That's the Dijonnaise, not the Dijon, the Dijonnaise, which is it's kind of a mixture of mustard and there's a bit of mayonnaise in there. Makes it more creamy. Over here we've got 1 clove of garlic crushed, and then a half teaspoon each of pepper and salt. So let's get that all mixed up. First of all, let's make the dressing. We're going to put that into a bowl, and we've got the vinegar. We have the oil. Then we're going to put in the Dijonnaise mustard. The nice thing about this Dijonnaise, because it's got the mayonnaise in it, it helps to really emulsify the oil and the vinegar. Which if you're just doing oil and vinegar only is always a problem because it won't stay together. I'll put in the garlic, and let's toss in the salt and the pepper. And then we're just going to give it a quick whisk. Just whisk it enough to bring it all together. So when I get that mustard broken up, and you see it's just going to all emulsify into a nice dressing. All right, that is ready to go. Let's put that off to one side. We'll bring in a bigger bowl, and we're going to toss all these ingredients except for the feta cheese in here. So we're going to put in the red bell pepper, the corn, get in there, corn, the black beans, the chickpeas or garbanzo beans, or as we call them here in Japan, hyokomame, which basically means chickpea, the olives, and the capers. Oh, that's going to be good. And then I'm just going to give those a little bit of a mix. Get that all evenly distributed. Let's toss in our dressing. I'm going to toss that just a little bit. Get that distributed throughout. Just want to get everything coated with dressing. We'll get back in there. Just kind of digging and turning until everything's got a bit of a coating dressing on it. And now, in goes the feta cheese. And all I want to do now is toss to get that feta cheese distributed throughout. So it's going to, again, go down under it and toss. And there we go. We have a Mediterranean bean salad. What I'm going to do now is going to stick that, cover it, put it in the refrigerator, chill it for a while, and that's going to be a fantastic, refreshing salad or even a main meal for dinner. Enjoy! Mediterranean bean salad. Now if you go to the link appearing on the screen and also clickable in this video's description, you can download and print out this recipe from the Salad and Vegetable Recipes booklet on Kuma's Kitchen's Patreon page. Just click the featured tag called Recipes. Not yet a patron of Kuma's Kitchen? Well, please consider becoming one. For as little as $3 a month, you'll get access to all our recipe booklets and a bunch of videos not published anywhere else, including our popular This is Japan series. Also, you'll be supporting the creation of many more Kuma's Kitchen recipe videos. Now, go print out the recipe and enjoy Mediterranean bean salad and make cooking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen.